Euronics today is here at E3 at the EA booth to talk with Aaron, who's one of the lead producers for FIFA 15. So what can you tell us about the new game?
Yeah, we've got a lot of big things planned for us in FIFA 15. I think the four biggest things we're talking about are what we're doing in terms of the visuals and the graphics and the graphical presentation on the pitch, what we're doing in terms of emotional intensity and intelligence of all the players on the pitch. We've got a lot of work done around player control, so things about responsiveness and how close you keep the ball, and a lot of features around that. And then the last piece of the puzzle we're talking about today is intelligence and what we're doing for the AI opponents and the positioning players that are all around the pitch.
Okay, so maybe you can tell us about the visuals. Maybe with the next-gen consoles, they will probably be stunning.
Yeah, we've had the luxury of using all the power of the consoles this year, and we've put in new features like physical-based lighting. So you have the ability to now use the environment to help light the environment, which gives us a much more realistic look and feel to all of the players. They feel very integrated in the environment. It really keeps you immersed. Another big thing that we've done is we're now tracking every footstep that happens throughout the match, and the pitch will show where throughout the progression of the 90 minutes that you play. So every footstep that matters, that's hard enough, that plants hard enough, there'll be a footprint left on the pitch. Even so far as slide tackles leaving a streak, or in muddy conditions cutting into the pitch and leaving some dirt and wear onto the players' kits as well. So there's a lot of I mean, that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot of little detail features like digital ad boards and the post shaking when you strike the crossbar, corner flag moving. They really add to the immersion of the game this year in terms of visuals and graphical representation.
You were talking about emotional intelligence. How do the player interact with each other?
So for the first time ever, we're tracking all the emotional state of all 22 players on the pitch for the entirety of a match. That means that we're tracking their emotional state at the moment, but also their attitudes and opinions towards all of the other players on the pitch. So every event that happens throughout the match is going to affect the player emotionally, and we'll be able to represent that with animations and reactions to different scenarios. Things like players high-fiving each other for a good tackle, or patting the keeper on the back for a good save, to things like contesting one another after a hard challenge or something, or repetitive hard challenges. The players will have memories this year to be able to remember what's happened throughout the match, and it'll affect them emotionally, from the smallest things, from a very good pass from their teammate, to big things like scoring an own goal or a cracker that you've scored on the opposition.
Perfect. That was very nice. Thanks a lot, and we'll look forward to play FIFA 15.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.